to tie a Windsor knot. Hey Bill. Yeah. I'd like to take the Yankees for 1,000. Yeah, money line. Also, who's playing the White Sox? Oh, Boston? Okay, I'll take them to 1,000. Alright, thanks. Hey Bill? Hi, yeah, I'd like to open a brokerage account. Oh, who am I speaking to? Yeah, my name's Racky. Oh, hey. What do you do? Oh, well, I'm a YouTuber. Oh. YouTube. Racky. A YouTuber wants to open an account with us. He has no subscribers. I'm looking to open with 1,000. Oh. Well, we have a minimum here. I'm sorry. You probably need to start with 100K. But really that wouldn't be enough. Really need to start with $1 million. Oh, okay. Yeah. I didn't know there was a minimum. What should I do? Probably should just make more money. Yeah. Duh. Okay, well, sorry for wasting your time. Thanks. Okay. Yankees just gave a home run. Do you ever wonder how much these financial advisors make? Okay, we have an Excel spreadsheet here. There's a lot of numbers. Don't focus on the numbers. I'll walk you through it. So let's say you invest $10,000 per year over 30 years. At a rate of 8% with your financial advisor taking 1%. I chose 8% because the average S&P 500 return is about 9.5%. That's close, that's conservative and realistic. I chose 1% management fee to begin with. So assuming these rates and this investment amount, $10,000 per year, your money's going to grow to $1.22 million and your financial advisor is going to take $227,000. Let's say you do $12,000 a year, so you increase it by $2,000. And it's about $1,000 per month, or it is $1,000 per month. Same rate, same fees, $273,000 to your financial advisor. Let's say you do $2,000 per month, $24,000 a year, 8%, 1% management fee, $546,000 goes to your financial advisor. A lot of financial advisors take up to 2%. So let's go back to the first scenario with $10,000, 8% fee, but with 2% management fees. Instead of the $220,000, they're going to make $409,000. The second scenario had $12,000 per month, 8% rate, 2% management fee, $491,000. Now let's say you're a YouTuber, an athlete, you inherited a lot of money, who knows? You got a ton of money. You're investing $240,000 per year, 8% rate, 2% management fee. Your financial advisor is going to make $9.8 million. Your money is going to grow to just shy of $30 million, and they're going to make $9.8 million. This is why financial advisors want people to have a lot of money that they manage. They're not interested in opening $1,000 accounts. They want to open $500,000 accounts, $5 million accounts, so their management fees are higher. The reason why this works like this is because as your money compounds, their fees compound with it. So your money grows from $12,000, you make 8%, you now have $12,960. They take their fee of $250. Well, your money grows again, you add another $12,000, it compounds. Then your money grows to $26,000. With the fees, you have they make $800. So their $250 fee grew to $800, and it compounds with your money that is growing. That is so much money. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really would help out the channel. The Road to Rack series is about how you can make money in the financial markets. This video was to build awareness, basically show you how much money these financial advisors make. The next video is going to show you what they would invest you in. So please, once again, hit the like, subscribe button. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks.